I just had my letter today. Pardon?
I know you've got good news. Tom told me you've got good news for me.
Oh, what a wanker.
You've had your card, have you?
I've had the approval for the green card, yes.
Oh, Jim, in London. Oh, I'm so chuffed.
Mothers.
Jamie's Vlog.
Good morning into IBNs. Like I said, it's another beautiful day here. Actually, I didn't say that today. It is a nice day here today, though, in Oneida, New York. And yes, big news today is that I've had a letter come through from Homeland saying that I've been approved. I can do jobs here. Can I do jobs here?
When you get your green card, welcome to the workforce.
Woo! Yeah, helping Chris out, sorting out a couple of things from his closet. Yeah.
Oh shit, it's Walmart.
Hi.
Hi.
Happy days.
Yay!
A sunny day. Bit of both. Happy sunny day.
Happy sunny, really nice weather. Not a goddamn cloud in the sky.
Actually, there's a few drips.
Shut up.
So, thought we'd come out, have a look around, pick up one or two things to celebrate. Have a tidy day. Hey. 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 Hi. Ooh, hello. You alright? I think we both had the same idea and fell asleep on the bed. Almost slept for like an hour. Oops. Yeah, been trying out some stuff. So I was downloading this new MMO. Well, Chris downloaded it, so I downloaded it. Just see what it's like from the gameplay. It looks interesting, called Skyforge. You play as like a deity, almost play like God. See what happens when that's installed. Right now, a little bit hungry. Let's get some food. Ooh, strawberry wine.
Vine smoothie.
I don't know.
It's a curiosity. It was $2.
Yeah. So they must be selling quite well then.
Yes. Right,
Let's
see
have a
what
look.
Actually, it smells pretty good.
Okay. Are we sure we're not drinking just strawberry Nesquik?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we are drinking.
Ho ho ho!
It really does look like strawberry milk. Like,
Oh, cough syrup.
oh god, please don't tell me that just before I start drinking.
Sorry.
I don't like cough syrup. I really don't. Cheers.
Cheers. I think after a while it clears.
Yeah, it does, but
It's quite creamy.
it's very creamy, but the initial taste is kind of... Oh, the aftertaste isn't great.
It does taste like a milkshake.
A milkshake with paint thinner in it. I'm not a fan.
At least you can say we tried.
Yeah, I can see why it's $2.
Yeah. I'll drink it anyway.
Ugh. That's all you, sir.
Honest truth, we had to pour that one away. That was... No. I think after a little bit it just kind of made it sickly and not a very good one. So, at least we got Teddy's Red, the one that we normally get. The one that's nice. The first one we tried, if you remember guys. Oh my god, this is a better one, I have to say in honesty. There's the good stuff.
More like it.
Oh, that is sexy.
Wow. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. So, we're doing a Final Fantasy run.
Final Fantasy run on Vino.
I know.
Oh, get out Christmas.
I can drink straight away.
Drink
Drink and fight.
and fight and drink and fight.
Yeah.
Like a mushroom.
Cheers. Ah.
Oh, so much better.
Better than Calpol. Playing the library of 14.
No.
Yay. Anyway, guys, see, very quiet now. Get to sleep. Although I've kind of dozed off earlier. Yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching today's video. Everyone have an awesome day, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. And if you have, don't forget to like, and if you're new to the channel, you want to see what's been happening next, then don't forget to subscribe. And we shall see you tomorrow for brand spanking new day, and hopefully it shall be better than the rest. So until then, take it easy, guys. No star.